Understanding fat burning and exercise.
Fat burning during exercise is a natural biological process your body uses to generate energy. When you move, your muscles require fuel. At rest and during moderate activity, the body turns to stored fat to help power your workouts. Let's break down the science behind how your body burns fat every time you exercise.
Mobilizing stored fat.
Exercise signals your body to release energy. Hormones like adrenaline trigger fat cells to break down stored triglycerides into fatty acids, which are then released into the bloodstream. These fatty acids are transported to your working muscles, ready to be used as fuel for movement and endurance.
Fatty acids enter the muscles.
Once in the bloodstream, fatty acids travel to muscle cells. Here, they cross into the cells with the help of transporter proteins. The muscles absorb these fatty acids and shuttle them into tiny cell structures called mitochondria, often called the powerhouse of the cell.
Converting fatty acids to energy.
Inside the mitochondria, a process called beta-oxidation breaks down fatty acids, generating molecules that fuel muscle contractions. This chemical process provides a steady supply of energy, especially during longer or moderate intensity exercise, helping you keep going and gradually reducing fat stores.
Maximizing fat burning.
To maximize fat burning, focus on steady, moderate intensity exercise like brisk walking, cycling, or jogging. Combining aerobic workouts with strength training builds muscle and increases your metabolism. Staying consistent with exercise and a balanced diet supports the body's natural ability to use fat for fuel over time.